Good morning, grade 5. So today we'll have your new lesson in block 3, lesson 1. So we have here numbers 6, 20, 14, and 4. Can you tell me which of these numbers appear in the multiplication tables of 2, 5, or 10? Which of these numbers appear in the multiplication tables of 2, 5, or 10? Okay, so 2, we can say that 4, 6, 14, 20, or the four numbers, these four numbers will be appeared in the multiplication table of 2. While in 5 and 10, 20 will be appeared in multiplication table. So this number 4, 6, 14, 20 are what we call multiples. So today we will have this divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10. So I want to get your notebook and copy our aim for today. Students will be able to deduce the rules of divisibility for 2, 5, and 10 to find common factors. Students will be able to deduce the rules of divisibility for 2, 5, and 10 to find common factors. Please pause the video and able for you to finish our aim for today. Okay, so I guess all of you are done writing our aim for today. We'll have our activity. So this would be your instruction. Look at the number chart and color the boxes with multiples of 2 in red, multiples of 5 in blue, and multiples of 10 in yellow. Find the pattern in the multiples of 2, 5, and 10. Again, look at the number chart and color the boxes with the multiples of 2 in red, multiples of blue in multiples of 5 in blue, and multiples of 10 in yellow. Then find the pattern in the multiples of 2, 5, and 10. So today you need crayon or a colored pencil of red, blue, and yellow. Did you have already your materials? Okay, very good. So as you can see in our screen, we have the numbers 1 to 50. As we go through this number, we need to find divisible of 2, 5, and 10. If it is divisible by 2, you need to color red. If it is divisible by 5, we need to color it by blue. But if it is divisible by 10, you need to color by yellow. So you don't need to color full numbers or full box of the numbers divisible by 2, 5, 10 because there is a case that 2, 5, 10 can be divisible in one number. Okay, let's start. Let's find first divisible by 2 in number 1 to 10. What are the divisible of 2 in numbers 1 to 10? Okay, very good. The divisible number of 2 in our numbers 1 to 10 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Did you got the same answer? Very good. How about divisible of 5? Okay, the divisible of 5 from the numbers 1 to 10 is 5 and 10. Any other from the numbers 1 to 10? Okay, no more. How about divisible by 10? In numbers 1 to 10, the divisible of 10 is only 10. So as you can see, 10 has 3 divisible, 2, 5, 10. Now it's your turn to answer in your notebook. I want you to copy these numbers 1 to 50 and find out what are the divisible of 2 that we need to color red. Divisible by 5, we need to color it in blue. And if it is divisible by 10, you need to color it in yellow. Now, I want you to pause the video and able for you to finish answering in your notebook. Time is up. I guess everybody are done answering and finding the divisible numbers of 2, 5, and 10 in our number chart 1 to 50. Okay, let's see. Did you got the same numbers or patterns? Okay, very good. So let's have the question. What pattern did you see in the digits of the ones place in the multiples of 2? Okay, very good. The multiples of 2 have only 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 at the ones place. Or we can say that the last digit of your number that has 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 is or are multiples of 2. What about the pattern do you see in the digits of ones placed in the multiples of 5? Very good. So the multiples of 5 have only 0 or 5 at the ones place, or the last digit or the ending of the number is 0 or 5. It is multiples of 5. How about the pattern did you see in the digits at the place ones place in the multiples of 10? Okay, very good. So the multiples of 10 have only 0 at the ones place. Okay, in general, you can say that the multiples of 2 has the ending of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. For example, 22 is a multiple of 2 because the ending is 2. While 64, the ending is 4, so we can say the multiple, this is a multiple of 2. But if it is 88, then we can still say that it is multiple of 2. While 50 is still a multiple of 2 because the end of 50 is 0. How about if multiples of 5? We can say that the endings are 0, 0 or 5. For example, 50. The ending of 50 is 0, still multiple of 5. How about 25? The ending of 25 is a 5, so we can say that it is multiple of 5. When you say multiple of 10, all numbers that end 0, it is a multiple of 10. So let's have this higher thinking question skill. A daycare center has 35 children. Each teacher was in charge of an equal number of children. How many children could each teacher be in charge of? 2, 5, or 10? So, if you will observe, in a daycare center, there is 35 children. Okay, now that you know how to find the multiples of 2, 5, and 10, what would be the divisible of 35? Okay, very good. We can say that 35 is divisible of 5 because the ending is 5. 35, the end or the ones place of 35 is a 5. We can say it is divisible by 5. So we can say that each teacher can be in charge of 5 children. Very good. Did you got the correct answer? I guess it's yes. Okay, so now that you know how to find the divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10, now I want you to answer your workbook. Seat work number 1, divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10 in page 15. Again, get your workbook, answer seat work number 1, divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10 in page 15. And do not forget also your assignment in your content book, that is page 31. Content book, page 31. So that would be all for today. God bless.